Hi there. Today we are going to listen a story about Don't Lose Hope. Once upon a time, in a small village nestled between green hills, there lived a little girl named Anya. She had bright, curious eyes and a heart full of dreams. Anya loved painting, running through fields, and reading stories of great heroes. But more than anything, she dreamed of becoming the fastest runner in her village. Every day, she practiced running near the river, feeling the wind rush past her. However, her village believed that girls should not compete in races. Running is for boys, the villagers often told her. But Anya did not want to listen to those words. She knew deep inside that she was meant to run. One day, the village chief announced a grand race where the fastest runner would receive a golden medal. Anya's heart leaped with excitement, but her joy was short lived. Girls cannot participate, said the chief. It is tradition. Anya felt tears well up in her eyes, but she took a deep breath. She would not lose hope. She would prove that girls could run just as fast as boys, maybe even faster. That night, Anya spoke to her grandmother, the wisest woman in the village. Grandmother, I want to run in the race, but they won't let me. Her grandmother smiled and said, Hope is like the sun, my dear. Even when you cannot see it, it is always there. Never stop believing in yourself. Inspired by her grandmother's words, Anya decided to train harder. She woke up before dawn and ran in secret. She raced against the wind, against the river's flow, and against the birds flying in the sky. One evening, as she ran through the fields, she saw an old man struggling to carry heavy sacks of wheat. She quickly rushed to help him. You are strong for a little girl, the old man said, smiling. Why do you look so determined? Anya told him about her dream of running in the race. The old man, who was once a great runner himself, saw the fire in her eyes. Come to me every evening, and I will teach you how to run like the wind, he offered. Anya was overjoyed. Day by day, the old man taught Anya how to take long strides, how to breathe while running, and how to keep her focus. Running is not just about speed, he said. It is about believing in yourself, even when others doubt you. Anya listened carefully and practiced every single day. She ran through rain and sunshine, never missing a day of training. Finally, the day of the race arrived. The entire village gathered to watch. Anya stood at the starting line, even though she was not allowed to compete. The chief saw her and frowned. Anya, I told you, girls cannot participate. But before he could stop her, the old man stepped forward. Let her run, he said firmly. If she loses, she will step back. But if she wins, she deserves the medal. The villagers murmured among themselves. Finally, the chief nodded. Very well. If she wants to run, let her run. Anya's heart pounded with excitement. The race began, and the boys dashed forward. But Anya, remembering all her training, kept her pace steady. She did not rush at the start. As the race continued, she began catching up, one by one passing the other runners. The villagers gasped in surprise. Look at her go, someone shouted. Anya pushed harder, her legs moving like the wind. With one final burst of energy, she crossed the finish line first. Silence fell over the crowd. Then, a loud cheer erupted. She had won. The chief, speechless, took the golden medal and placed it around Anya's neck. You have proven that strength and determination are not limited by gender, he said. The villagers clapped, and Anya's grandmother beamed with pride. From that day on, girls were allowed to participate in all races. Anya's victory became a legend, inspiring generations of girls to never lose hope and always chase their dreams. And so, the little girl who once ran in secret became the hero of her village, proving that with belief and perseverance, nothing is impossible.